apart from some elements, apart from the non-metal elements, some compounds also formed by making use of covalent bonds. So hydrogen, it has one electron. It needs one electron to be shared. So that's why we draw one electron in the middle. So for chlorine, it has 7 electrons. So that's why it needs one more to become X. So that's why we draw one electron in the middle. That is how covalent bond is formed. Then what's next is 7 electrons minusing 1 electron. We have 6 more electrons to be the lone pair. So this time we have 3 lone pair electrons in chlorine. So that is what is the electron diagram of hydrogen chloride. So how about carbon dioxide? So for carbon dioxide, carbon, it has 4 electrons. Right, 4 electrons. To become X, it needs 4 more electrons. So that's why it needs to share 4 electrons with the oxygen. So how about oxygen? Oxygen, it has 6 electrons. To become octets, it needs 2 more electrons. So that's why for each oxygen, I need to place 2 electrons sharing with the carbon. Okay, we focus on one first. So for oxygen, using 2 electrons in the bonding, it still have 4 electrons left. So oxygen fulfills the octet. For carbon, you just have 2 electrons in the bond sharing electrons. So we still have 2 more, so it will form another covalent bond with the oxygen. So oxygen, they have 2 electrons placed here, and the carbon. So now carbon, it has used up all electrons it has, and it also fulfills the octet rule. So for the oxygen now, you have used 2 electrons from its 6 electrons. So you have 4 electrons left. So that is the electron diagram for carbon dioxide. So for ammonia, hydrogen, it will share 1 electron with the nitrogen. Okay, that is easy. But for nitrogen, how many electrons it have? It has 5 electrons. So to become X, it needs 3 more. So that's why forming 1 covalent bond with hydrogen is not enough. It will form 2 more covalent bonds. Right, each of them is single covalent bonds. So now nitrogen have used 1, 2, 3 electrons. So that's why 5 minus 3, you have 2 more electrons as a lone pair. So that is a very common mistake for the student to join these lone pair electrons. Be careful for that. So for tetrachloromethane, chlorine, it has 7 electrons. Okay, 7 electrons. So that's why to become octet, it needs to add 1 electron. So that's why it contributes 1 electron to share with carbon. And the rest is the lone pair electrons, 3 lone pair electrons. So for carbon, it has 4 electrons. To become octets, it needs how many? It needs 4 electrons. So only sharing 1 electron with chlorine is not enough. It will further form covalent bond with 3 more chlorine atoms. So that's why here we draw 3 more chlorine. In this way, carbon will fulfill its octet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So usually students stops here, forgetting the lone pairs chlorine. So please do not do that. We still have 6 electrons in this outer motion of chlorine after using 1 electron for the bond pair. This chlorine as well. Okay, so that's finished.